Hello again and welcome to EduMath. In this video, we are going to construct a circumscribing circle onto a triangle with one angle being an angle of 75. And if you are new here at EduMath, subscribe and hit the notification bell. For now, let's start with the guiding question. Construct a triangle ABC such that side AB is 5.5 centimeters, side BC is 6 centimeters, and the angle A is 75 degrees. First, we need to make a sketch. So we need a sketch. The angle we have, that angle is an acute angle, 75. That angle is angle A. So I can put here my A, and put here my B. You have to put in mind that the baseline should be a line with a measurement. So our baseline is going to be of length 5.5 centimeters. 5.5 centimeters. And this is vertex C. We have BC being 6 centimeters. This side BC is 6 centimeters. This angle 75 degrees, that's angle A. Now we all know that a sketch is the interpretation of the question, and then the accurate diagram is a duplicate of the sketch. So we are going to construct our accurate diagram by basing on this sketch right here. Accurate diagram. So first we need to get our ruler to help us draw the reference line. And on this line, we need to measure off 5.5 centimeters such that this side is A and the other side is B. So we get a compass there. We need to measure 5.5. So we stretch our compass to there. That's where 5.5 is. So we make that arc. So at this point, this is A and this other one is B. Here we have 5.5 centimeters. At A we need there an angle of 75. So we get our compass back. I hope we know how to construct an angle of 75 in a very easy way. If you do not know, I'm going to link the card up here. Click on it and you will be in class. We're going to make this arc here and another arc up here. Then we shift our compass from there without adjusting it. We make another arc which meets with this line, and then we go back to point A. We stretch our compass to that new arc. Then we shift the sharp point of the compass to that arc there. And then we draw another arc at this side which intersects with this previously drawn one up here. Then we get our ruler and we join. Okay, like that. Now, we also need to confirm if really we have constructed an angle of 75. There we go. Hope we can use the inner scale to see this. That if you use the inner scale, this is 70, 75 is in the middle there. We are done constructing an angle of 75. Next, we need to get our ruler back and we have to measure off this side here. Side BC is 6 centimeters. Now, I need to shift this 6 centimeters to the diagram here and we put the sharp point at B. Then we shall make an arc at this side that has to intersect with the previously drawn line. There we go. And then we get our ruler. We join point B to where the arc and the line are intersecting. That is it. So where they will intersect, this point is point C. We are done with constructing this triangle here. The next thing is we need to measure off AC. AC is this side here, and this was 6 centimeters. So what should we do? We get our compass here. We just stretch it here from A to C. From A to C. There. And then we transfer this to a ruler. Transfer it to a ruler. At that point, when you look closely, SC is 4.1 centimeters. Okay. Now, having drawn the triangle ABC, now we move to part A. Part A says draw a circle that passes through the 3 vertices of the triangle. That circle which passes through the 3 vertices of the triangle is called a circumscribing circle. How do we do that? How do we circumscribe? We choose any 2 sides of our choice and we bisect them. I'm going to choose side AC and side BC. We bisect those 2 sides. So I hope we all know how to bisect. If you don't know, I'm going to link the video about bisecting a line segment up here in the cards. Also click on it. For now, let's get started bisecting AC. So we place our compass in such a way that we need to make arcs on either side. But of course, you have to adjust your compass and make sure that it is at least half the line you're bisecting. So there we go, it is at least half. So we have to make an arcs on either side of that line. So we have to draw that arc. I shift my compass inside here. I draw that arc there. Then without adjusting the compass, shift it to point C and then make another arc inside here. Then outside here, we make that arc as well. Okay. So then we need to join the points where the arcs meet using our ruler. So we get our ruler, we join. Okay, like that. You have to be careful. You have to make sure that the points are in correct alignment. Next, we need to also bisect BC. So we get our compass back here. We need to bisect BC. So therefore, we have to stretch our compass until we see that the radius of our compass is at least half of the line BC. So after that, we draw arcs on either sides. So I have that arc. Okay, move my compass inside, draw an arc inside here. Shift the sharp point to point C without adjusting. We need another arc inside here. So I have to draw that arc. Okay, then shift it to this other side. And we have to draw that arc also. And then we get a ruler and join where the arcs meet. There we go. And now the point where the 2 bisectors meet will act as the center of our circle. We need to draw our circle using a protractor, and you have to stretch it from the center O to any vertex. I've stretched it to vertex B. So after that, you rotate it around to draw the circle. So we can observe that as you draw the circle, you can see that it is passing through all the 3 vertices of our triangle. So we are done with circumscribing a circle onto a triangle ABC. The next thing here is part B, where they say measure the radius of the circle and hence find the area of the circle. So if we need to measure the radius, what we do, we shall bring back our ruler, and the distance from the center of our circle to any vertex becomes the radius. In other words, I'm going to just transfer this compass here onto a ruler and measure off that distance there. So when you observe clearly here, our radius is 3.1 centimeters. So they need us to finalize also by calculating the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r squared. So area here is going to be 22 all over 7 times 3.1 squared. So when you press our calculator, area is equal to 30.2 centimeters squared, and we are done. Now for more interesting videos, if you are new at EduMath, subscribe and also share the channel with your friends. For now, from us EduMath, we say thank you very much and God bless you.